Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CB300R with ABS brakes. This lightweight single, fuel injected 300 just arrived with only 1,300 miles on the odometer. Beautiful matte blue finish. This one's ready to go, great for commuting, great for a new rider. Come on by and pick up this CB300R for just $48.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.